Hello boys and girls, I hope you are all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snakes. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with the words. And your stretchy snake is when you stretch out the sounds in the word and say them slowly and you sound it all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Birthday. B-E-R-Th-day. You have a go for me? Well done. Let's have a go all together one more time. Birthday. B-E-R-Th-day. Well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called The Birthday Cake. So, boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. The Birthday Cake. It was Tiger's birthday. Max and Ant wanted to surprise Tiger. They pushed the buttons. They got up onto the table. They jumped in the crisps. They jumped on the rolls. They jumped on the jelly. They jumped over the cups. They landed in the cake. Max and Ant played on the cake. Tiger took a slice of cake. Tiger got a surprise. Max and Ant pushed the buttons. They all had some cake. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can listen to me read it again by rewinding the video, or on Oxford Owl you can use the play button where they will read it for you. On this week's guided reading, we are going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I will post in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You'll need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find the words down the side of your word search here and in the word search. When you have finished, don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun!